Yo, I know what is going on, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to change text in Unity. So changing text is pretty basic actually. So let's get started. So over here, as you can see, I have a UI. There's a score text over here, which is the game score, and health text over here. So I created my own script over here. So if you click that, as you can see, I have a empty script called health display, and I open it here in Visual Studio. Over here you need to first of all use import Unity engine UI. So using Unity engine.ui. So actually in this video I'll just show you first how to implement it, and I'm gonna implement it into my game. So first of all you need a value. So I will not use the void start, so just go over here and type actually you need to actually create a variable. So text equals, let me just create a variable. You don't need to add any values to it. So text, the name of our variable call is health text, and that's it. The next thing we want to go is to void start. So what we're going to be doing into the start method, we're just getting the component called text inside of the text UI. So type get, or first of all, health text equals get component text, and then what you want to do is you need a string, float or whatever, to put it inside. So I'm gonna type health text equals, health text dot text equals the thing that you want to put. For example, for me is just, actually let's type 1234 dot 2. Actually, if you are creating 1234, you need to make it as a string. So just first of all, type 1234. There we go. Now let's now go into Unity and let's try to run it. Right, there we go. Let's click play and it should turn to 1234. So as you can see, it turns to 1234 over here. Now the next thing what I want to do is to implement it into my game. Now I need to get the health variable. So the health variable is inside of the player scripts, as you can see over here. Now I created a method over here that will return the value of health if we get, or if we call this method in other scripts. So it's not in the same game object, so we need to find the object player. So first of all, I'm going to create a variable over here with type player, so player, and the name of the variable player without the capital P. Now over here, actually if you are that's what I'm doing. So this is the type and this is the variable name. Also the same or over here, the same applies over here, the type and the variable name. Now over here, I'm gonna get or find the object player. So as you can see over here, I have the object player over here, as you can see, which is this rocket ship. As you can see, just zoom in a bit. As you can see, so what we need to do is to type player equals find object of type, not objects, just object without s, it's just single. Inside of that we need to add player. Now we're now ready to go. Over here we need to change this to player dot get health, and it is a string, so we cannot do this because we cannot do this because it will just print player dot get health, and it's not it'll just print play that get health because I'm gonna be turning this whole into a string. So to turn the output of this as a string, you need to type dot to string. There you go. That's pretty much done. Now if you go to Unity and run this code, I'm very sorry actually if my mic is too bad. Um, I want to upgrade it, but it's not the time. So as you can see, our health is over here 100. So if I hit one of those bombs or shot, as you can see, my health goes down. Oh my god, here's the boss. I'm gonna die. Okay, there you go. As you die, I died. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's more to come. Just please subscribe to my channel and hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.